Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. Wag po tayong mahihiyang bumati ng maligayang Pasko dahil mahaba-haba pa ang Pasko natin bilang mananampalataya. May 2 linggo pang meron pang 2 linggong natitira upang ipagdiwang po ang Kapaskuhan. At muli po sa inyo pong lahat, maligayang pagdating po dito sa Manila Cathedral as we celebrate today a feast day of a family. And we are here as a family celebrating the Eucharist, this feast day of the Holy Family of Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. We greet you, our dear family. We greet each other a happy feast day of the Holy Family. I wish to reflect on 2 important details seen through the story of today's Gospel. And this Gospel is known to be the story of the flight to Egypt of the Holy Family. At madalas po kada ika-28 ng Disyembre ngayong araw na ito, yung unang parte po ay naririnig din ho natin bilang upang ipagdiwang ang kapistahan ho ng mga Los Niños at Las Niñas Inocentes. At dahil po linggo ngayon, hindi ho natin sila maipagdiriwang gawa ng ito po ay kapistahan ng banal na Sagrada Familia. They were all together. The first detail is that they were all together in this journey. Hindi po iniwan ni San Jose ang magnanay. O kaya hindi naman din nagdesisyon si Maria na, sige, kami na lang ni Jose. O iwan na natin itong batang ito dahil sa batang ito, napiligro buhay natin . But they were all together, flying to Egypt in that first days of the child in Israel. And in the future days of the child in Nazareth as a Nazarene. They were all together. And the second detail, my dear friends, were the places I said or mentioned a while ago. Egypt, Israel, and Nazareth. 3 important places close to the heart of this Holy Family and eventually of Christ Himself. In Israel, that was the place where the first days of His existence began. In Egypt, that was the place where the family, the child, was saved from the destruction of Herod. In Nazareth, that was, shall I say, the starting point or the shining place for Jesus to begin His life, His ministry, and His presence as the Son of God. Togetherness and these places. The Holy Family, my dear brothers and sisters, didn't only went to these places so as to see these places as it is. These were not only places that they've been together, but these places were fulfillments of God's dream for them and for the child. Hindi lang po ito mga simpleng lugar, kundi ito po yung mga lugar kung saan naging totoo ang pangarap ng Diyos para sa pamilyang ito at para kay Jesus. They were together facing the dreams of God for them. And it is our prayer, everyone's hope and prayer for every family, that we be together, not only visiting places, not only seeing beautiful surroundings, but let us be together chasing and facing God's dream for our lives. Hindi iniwanan ni Jose ang magnanay sa mga unang araw ni Jesus na makita niya ang mundo. Hindi iniwan ng bawat isa, ng banal na mag-anak ang bawat isa noong nasa peligro ang kanilang buhay. But they were together facing the dreams of God for them. Once more, it is our prayer and our hope that every family here, all of us, may see God's dreams together. Marahil po sa mga nanay ho na naririto, sa mga magulang na naririto, rather, it is a consoling part of your parenthood or of your marriage that you've seen your child growing by age, by weight, no? By experience, and by blessings. Sama-sama ho ninyong tinahak yung mga bagay na iyan at salamat sa Diyos. At marahil nakita nyo rin po yung pamilya ninyo, natin, na dati noon, ang kinakaya lang talaga natin, ang budget lang natin noon, hindi na nga tayo nag-aalmusal, tanghalian at hapunan na lang. Iniinit pa natin yung ating ulam ng tanghalian. Pero ngayon, kahit papano, salamat sa Diyos, bilang isang pamilya, nabubusog sa isang araw, nakatayo tayo sa ating mga magigipit na araw, naramdaman natin ang luwag kahit papano ng buhay. And maybe you've seen this for yourselves, that you were once a little child, but together with your families, you've chased God's dreams together with your families and with your friends. Dahil mahirap ho ngayon na kapag lugar ang pupuntahan, sige, sasamahan kita. Pero kung pangarap na ng Diyos ang nais, sige, bahala ka na dyan. Sagot mo na ang sarili mo. Ako, wag mo na akong pakialaman. Pangarap mo yan, pangarap ng Diyos yan, close deal tayo. Hindi ho ganyan ang banal na ang banal na pamilya. They were together in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, in the richness of their lives, and even in the most desolating point of their lives. They were together facing God's dreams together. And if I will be remembering a family who taught me to stay with each other, chasing God's dreams, I would readily think of my own family. Ninais po kong ipakita sa inyo. No? Sige po kuya, pakita nyo na po. Facing God's dreams together. These were two events of our life as brothers or as siblings. The first was my ordination to the priesthood, 3rd of December 2022. I was 30 kilos way lower than, no? No? Payat ko pa ho niyan, no? Bagong opera po ako niyan. No? Pandemic ho, kaya po naka-maskara kami noon. My parents, together with me, they were symbols of bringing me to God's dream on the day of my ordination. A year later, my brother was married here, 20th of December 2023. Once more, together with my parents, I was already here as his best man, together facing God's dreams during his wedding day. The family, the Holy Family, faced God's dreams together. And I am happy enough that until now, my parents, our family would always chase our dreams together. Kasama nila kami na pagka nagmimisa ho ako kung saan man, dito man ho o sa amin ho sa Pasay, naroroon ho sila. Sa mga unang araw ho ng pagiging magulang ng aking kapatid, naroroon ho sila. At sa mga madami pa ho naming pangarap sa buhay namin, salamat sa Diyos at naroroon ho sila. My dear brothers and sisters, families one and all, let us face God's dream together and not letting each other down. Ang pamilya ho ngayon, lumalawak na ang ating pag-iintindi. Pamilya si nanay, si tatay at si kapatid. Pamilya ang mga pinsan. Pamilya ang mga kamag-anak, mga mahal sa buhay. Pamilya ang mga kapwa lingkod. Pamilya ang mga kapwa sa trabaho. Pamilya ang mga kaibigan. Huwag ho nating iwanan ang bawat isa sa anumang oras. At lalo't higit sa pagharap sa magagandang pangarap ng Diyos sa atin. The family faced these realities together, and they wish to show us that shining example. In good times and in bad, in happiness and in sadness, in consolation and in desolations, let us face God's dream together, never letting each other down, never forgetting each other, always experiencing that we have one another to face God's dreams together.